Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to buy cards on Whatnot. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Whatnot application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy cards on Whatnot. So you can buy sports cards, Pokemon cards, Yu-Gi-Oh! Magic and other trading cards on Whatnot through live auctions, fixed price listings and card of course breaks. So the two most common ways and best ways is through auctions, which are live, and you have them here on the home screen. As you can see, we have the live auctions. Now, when I will not be entering a live auction immediately, but when you go to a live auction, there will be a person showing cards and of course people bidding in the bottom side of the screen. I'll open one now, of course. I will not be talking because of the person will be talking in the video also, so you can see what I'm talking about. In the bottom side you will see the bids.
3 secondes, 2 secondes. Le beau métamorphe 251 à 1 euro. C'est pas cher, bravo.
So as you can see, we saw the bid for $2. You can click on the bid your own money, or bid of course the next bid. So if that person bid €1, then the next bid is 2, but you can go and customly put it 20. You really want the card, you can put €20 by a custom bid. Also, the option is to click on the person's profile like this and then click on shop. And then here we have, as you can see, he has items in the shop, which you can of course go and pre-bid. Click on the item. As you can see, the live will be today at 5, but you can pre-bid those, as you can see, and buy them immediately. And that's how you can actually go and do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.